It is important for everyone to be aware of their mental health and when they are in need of help. A mental illness test is a great tool for an individual to self-evaluate their own mental health. It usually consists of a series of questions designed to determine whether or not a person is suffering from a mental illness such as anxiety, depression, or bipolar disorder. This type of test can assist individuals in identifying and addressing any potential mental health issues. Individuals can use a mental health illness test if they are experiencing symptoms of a mental health problem. Common symptoms include feelings of anxiety, sadness, or worthlessness, difficulty concentrating or making decisions, and suicidal ideation. Healthcare providers can also use mental illness tests to screen patients for potential mental health issues, as well as track their patients' mental health progress over time. Mental illness tests are available in a variety of formats, including paper-based and digital versions. They are generally simpler to administer and can be completed quickly. While a mental health illness test can provide information about an individual's mental health, it is not a replacement tool for professional medical advice and should not be used as a diagnostic tool. The mental illness test consists of a series of questions designed to assess various aspects of your mental health. Responses can be chosen out of 4 answers: not at all, several days, more than half the days, nearly every day. Example of some of the questions you would be answering are: have you felt compelled to perform repetitive behaviors or mental acts in response to these unwanted thoughts or impulses? Have you had episodes of euphoria, elevated or irritable mood, or increased energy? Add your answers to each question to get your total score. After you've answered all of the questions, add up your scores to get your overall score. This will give you a better picture of your overall mental health. Our mental illness test example is intended to give you an idea of the types of questions you might face when taking a mental illness test. To find our mental illness test, go to our Carepatron platform. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe